Hi guys! Today we're going to use voice chat on Claude AI. First of all, unlock your phone to get started. You can either open the Claude AI app if you have it installed or just use any browser on your phone. I personally opened it through a browser, but either method works perfectly fine. Once your phone is unlocked, we're ready to search for Claude AI. After opening your browser, look for the search bar at the top, tap on it to focus and get ready to type. This is where we'll search for Claude AI's website. Make sure you type it correctly so the right page appears. Now type Claude AI on the search bar and hit search. Once the results appear, look for the official Claude AI website and tap on it. This will open the main page of Claude AI in your browser. If you already have an account, it will take you straight to the login page. Before using voice chat, make sure you're signed in. Tap on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Once signed in, you'll be on the main page of Claude AI. Without signing in, you won't be able to access the voice chat feature. Now on the main page, look at the middle right side of the screen. You'll see a voice icon there, which is the option for voice chat. Just tap on it to activate the voice chat feature. This will let you talk to Claude AI instead of typing your messages. Once the voice chat is activated, you can start speaking naturally. Claude AI will listen to you and respond in real time. It's just like having a normal conversation, which is really fun and interactive. You can use it anytime for questions, tasks, or even casual chat. So that's how you can easily use voice chat on Claude AI and make your conversations more interactive. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and comment below for more simple tech tutorials.